The Nigeria Biafra War began on July 6, 1967 and ended on January 15, 1970. 1 in 15 Biafrans died in that 30-month-long war. During the Nigeria Biafra War, all schools in Biafra were closed. I came to the United States on March 24, 1974 at age 19. Due to the Nigerian Civil War, I was enrolled in school for only 1.5 years of the 6 years that preceded my arrival in the United States. For that reason, I had to teach myself mathematics and physics, and do so during those 6 war-related years. Mathematical physics is the bedrock of the supercomputer. My quest was for the then never-before-seen supercomputer that could solve many problems at once. When I began that quest on June 20, 1974, I didn't have a map and a guide to the land of the never-before-seen supercomputers that could solve many problems at once. Because I didn't know exactly where to discover that new supercomputer, I followed a zigzag path, and I traveled 70,000 miles to cover the 7,000 miles between Nigeria and the United States and become the supercomputer scientist that figured out how to solve 65,536 problems at once.